In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the low beam headlight bulbs on this Chrysler 300. You can access these from the backside of the headlight assemblies. Let's get started. To replace the low beam headlight bulb, it is almost an identical procedure, passenger versus driver side. The passenger side is not obstructed, so you can easily reach it. On the driver's side, the power steering reservoir is in the way. However, all you need to do is lift straight up on it, and you can slide your hand underneath and reach it right here. However, I will not be showing you the driver's side because there's no way I can reach my hand in here and film it at the same time, so I will show you the passenger side, but once again, the reservoir is the only difference. Once you're done, just slide it right back down in. In order to get to it, let's reach right behind the headlight. This is where you'll find your low beam bulb. Turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. It is easiest to unplug it with it removed. So at this point, pull back on those two little tabs. You can use a small pocket screwdriver and pry the two little tabs up and back, and that will allow you to unplug the headlight bulb. There it is. This vehicle uses a 9006 bulb, so make sure you have the correct one for the application so you can reinstall it. Now reverse the procedure. Do not touch the glass of the headlight bulb with your fingers or it will burn out a lot sooner. Spin it around so you can lock in that connector, plug it in, listen for a click. Once you have it plugged in, line it up with the headlight assembly and spin it clockwise to lock it in once all three tabs have lined up. And there you have it. That's replaced. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.